The world is changing faster than ever. And if you're not leveraging artificial intelligence to make money, you're already falling behind. What if artificial intelligence could do the hard work for you? Imagine building a profitable income stream with minimal effort without any experience or expensive tools. In this video, we're diving into 5 artificial intelligence-powered side hustles that people are using right now to generate up to $10,000 a month. These aren't just ideas, they're real, proven ways to make money, and I'll show you exactly how you can get started. Stay until the end because the last one is a game changer that almost nobody is talking about. Let's go! Hustle 1. Deep Brain Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence-powered video creation. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest trends right now. Artificial intelligence-generated faceless videos. With Deep Brain Artificial Intelligence, you can create high-quality, professional videos without ever being on camera. Imagine running a faceless YouTube channel that pumps out content on autopilot, or selling artificial intelligence-generated videos to businesses that need content but don't have the time or budget for production teams. With artificial intelligence avatars that look and sound completely real, brands and content creators are paying top dollar for this service. Some people are making thousands per month running faceless YouTube channels using this exact method. The demand for video content has never been higher, and artificial intelligence makes it effortless. Hustle 2. RYTR Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence-powered copywriting. Writing used to be a skill that took years to master, not anymore. With RYTR Artificial Intelligence, you can create blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, and even full ebooks in minutes. Businesses desperately need content, and with artificial intelligence, you can provide high-quality writing without ever typing a single word yourself. Freelancers are charging hundreds, even thousands of dollars for artificial intelligence-generated content that takes them minutes to produce. Whether you're writing for businesses, building an artificial intelligence-powered blog, or selling content creation services, this is an insanely profitable opportunity. Hustle 3. Okoya Artificial Intelligence Powered Social Media Automation. Social media isn't going anywhere, but managing it is a full-time job. That's why businesses are paying experts hundreds per month to handle their accounts. But what if artificial intelligence could do it all for you? With Okoya, you can automate social media posts, generate viral captions, and schedule content across multiple platforms without lifting a finger. Artificial intelligence writes the posts, picks the hashtags, and schedules everything while you sit back and collect payments. Imagine managing 10, 20, or even 50 accounts at the same time, all running on artificial intelligence automation. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a scalable business model that grows as fast as you want it to. Hustle 4. Be Human Artificial Intelligence-Powered Personalized Videos. One of the most powerful and overlooked ways to make money with artificial intelligence is personalized video marketing. Think about it. Businesses send out thousands of generic emails every day that get ignored. But what if they could send a personalized video message to every potential customer at scale? With Be Human Artificial Intelligence, you can create one video and have artificial intelligence personalize it for thousands of recipients. Sales teams, real estate agents, and e-commerce brands pay big money for custom outreach videos that actually convert. This isn't just a trend. It's the future of marketing, and businesses are willing to pay a premium for it. Hustle 5. Auto Shorts. Artificial intelligence-generated short-form content. Short-form content is taking over. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. These platforms are exploding, and artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever to go viral. With Auto Shorts Artificial Intelligence, you can automate the entire process of creating viral short-form videos. Artificial intelligence selects the topic, generates the script, edits the video, and even adds captions, all with a few clicks. Creators are making serious money from shorts monetization, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you've ever wanted to grow a social media presence fast, this is hands down one of the best artificial intelligence side hustles right now. These are 5 artificial intelligence-powered side hustles that are making people serious money right now. The best part, artificial intelligence handles most of the work for you. Now it's your turn. Which one are you going to try first? And if you want more artificial intelligence money-making strategies, hit that subscribe button and turn on tools in the description below and start your artificial intelligence hustle today. I'll see you in the next video.